Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to embed Crisp inside an iFrame. We will cover two methods, so you can check out the chapters of this video if you already know which one you want to use. And also I will show you how to embed a Crisp knowledge base article inside an iFrame. So let's get started. So there are two common ways to embed Crisp inside an iFrame. The first one is the fastest. You use the external Crisp Chatbox link directly as the source of your iFrame. The second one gives you more control. You create a dedicated HTML page, install Crisp on that page, force the chatbox to open in full view, and then embed that page inside an iFrame. Let's start with the simplest method. So go to your Crisp workspace and copy your website ID. You can find it under Settings, Workspace Settings, and Setup and Integrations. Now in your website code, add an iFrame. The source of this iFrame should use the Crisp external chatbox URL. You can find it in the description. Replace your website ID with the website ID from your Crisp workspace, and then adjust the size depending on where you want the chatbox to appear. On Saved, open your page and check that the Crisp chatbox loads correctly inside the iFrame. The second method is useful if you need more control over the embedded chatbox. For this method, create a blank HTML page on your own domain. On that page, add the Crisp runtime configuration before the Crisp script. This configuration tells Crisp to open the chatbox in a full view and behave correctly inside the embedded page. Then add the standard Crisp script below it. You can copy your standard script from Settings, Workspace Settings, Setup and Integration, and HTML. On this page is ready, you can embed it inside another page using an iFrame. So the flow is first create a dedicated page where Crisp runs in a full page mode, and then embed that page wherever you want the chatbox to appear. You can also embed Crisp knowledge base articles inside an iFrame. So first, open the public knowledge base article you want to embed. Then copy the article link, and to make it work better inside an iFrame, add a reader pass at the end of the link. Use /reader/full/ if you want to keep the article title visible, and use /reader/compact/ if your own page already provides the context and you only want to show the article content. Then place that reader link inside an iFrame on your website. And also make sure that this article is public, because if your knowledge base is restricted or password protected, visitors may not be able to view the embedded article. If you have any troubleshoots and your chatbox doesn't load, first check that your website ID is correct. Then make sure the iFrame source uses the correct Crisp embed link, and if you use the full page method, make sure the runtime configuration is placed before the Crisp script. If the chatbox appears but is hard to use, adjust the iFrame weight and height. And if a knowledge base article doesn't appear, check that the article is public and that you are using the correct reader URL. That's it, you now know how to embed Crisp inside an iFrame. Now you can check all the documentation links in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.